you all are now familiar with a linear equation in one variable. Now we are switching and going to discuss about linear equation in two variable. Let us consider this equation. 2x plus 3y is less than 6. I think whatever will be this less than or equal to or something what is given to you, better way write this question as equal to form. 2x plus 3y will be equal to 6. First step of the question. For any question, if it is asked in this form, then always write in equal to, whether it is less than, greater than, equal to are there or none. Okay. Then you know how to plot the graph for this one. Just quickly plot the graph. Okay. Ready with the graph. Use that 2-point form method, that taking 2 points and like this also. Get a graph. Okay. Now I am going to discuss something else. How to plot the graph for this one without taking a point. It is 2x plus 3y will be equal to 6. What is this number? 6. Divide whole thing by 6. So 2x by 6 plus 3y by 6 will be equal to 1. Now it can be written as x by 3. It will be y by 2 is equal to. This number is called as x-intercept. This number is called as y-intercept. This you are going to learn in the one of the chapter afterwards. But time being you just think about this is a rule to get x-intercept, y-intercept. What is x-intercept is given 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the point. Always make a habit of writing the coordinate of the point. Y-intercept is 2. This point is nothing but 0, 2. 0, 2. So first method is writing any question in a intercept form and then plotting a line. But remember, whenever it is less than is there, this line is not to be drawn continuously, but it is to be drawn dotted line. Just draw the dotted line. Just draw the dotted line. I think you have got this line. Your line you should be converted in a dotted line. Now once this part is over, then take any point on x and y axis. Better in this case, I am just selecting this point. What is that point? 0, 0. Replace over here 0, 0. So you will be getting 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 is less than 6. So do you agree this is correct? Yes. So with respect to this line, you will be moving towards selected point. Selected point. It means this many solutions are there. This many solutions are there. This is nothing but the solution of this equation. Okay. Now let us consider another situation. 3x minus 4y is greater than minus 12. Make the correction. Little here it is minus 12 you write down. I told you always the equation to be written in the form of 3x minus 4y will be equal to minus 12. This is a common method. Then dividing by this number. What is this number now? Here it is 12. Okay, minus 12. So it will be 3x by minus 12 minus 4y by minus 12 will be equal to 1. Simplify this. It will be x. Always numerator keep positive divided by minus 4. Plus sign over here. Y by 3 will be equal to 1. Just try to understand this logic. Writing the equation in equal to form, dividing by this number and getting the x and y intercept. Now what is x-intercept? X-intercept over here it is minus 4. So somewhere here minus 4. Y-intercept is 3. Somewhere over here it is y-intercept is 3. Now the line will pass through this 2 point. Line will pass. This is nothing but the equation of the line. What is the next approach I told you? You will be selecting any point on the axis better way. So I am just selecting this number. Replace here. 3 into 0 minus 4 into 0 is greater than minus 12. Here it is 0. 0 is greater than minus 12. Do you agree? 0 is greater? Yes. So the solution of this will be nothing but this. This is nothing but the solution. Selected point to be covered. Selected point to be covered. Comfortable? One more situation. X minus 3y less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6. How I should write x minus 3y will be equal to 6. X by 6 plus y by minus 2. Try to understand this. Always numerator will be plus and whatever the number will be coming, you have to bring it down. Now x intercept is 6. X intercept is 6. just we'll take this one. I want to show something more. So there will be no change in this step. X will be equal to 6 and y will be equal to minus 2. So this is nothing but the equation of the line. Which number to be replaced? 0, 0. Replace 0, 0. 0 is greater than 6. Do you agree? 0 is greater than 6? No. That means, do you know here, whenever I am just replacing 0 in the equation, the condition was satisfied, therefore I have moved towards 0. Here also condition was satisfying, therefore I was moving. Now, for 0, this condition is not satisfying. So, the solution of this type of equation, this line will be entire line, is nothing but this side, going away from the selected point, going away from the selected point. This will be the solution. So whenever you are selecting any point, if it is satisfying, if it is true, then cover that point. Simple logic. Cover the point. And if it is false, then uncover. Means do not shade that part. Okay. So this is a way of answering the question. Now, in linear equation, two variable, whenever you are getting, sometimes the problems will be given this form also. X is less than or equal to 3, y will be greater than or equal to 4. Now your question will be, how to answer this question in two variable? You are familiar with one variable. Now this is the method of answering in two variable. Now which point is there? X, what is the procedure I told you? This is to be considered as x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is the line which is parallel to this one, is nothing but x is equal to 3. Is it okay? Once one of the line is over, just try to think about shading. X is this side, left hand side will come or right hand side will come. Okay, solution will be on the left hand side. Do not shade. Whenever two equations are given, don't shade. Y will be equal to 4. But this line is to be plotted dotted. You are knowing why I am going to plot the graph dotted. Y will be equal to 4. Y will be equal to 4. Now y is greater than 4. So which side will be the portion? The line above over here. Line above over here. Now you should think about, do not think about x and y axis. On the left hand side of this, listen this one. These arrows we are putting over here. On the left hand side of this and upside of this one. Which is the portion? On the left hand side and upside. This line will be straight line. Okay. Left hand side of this one, upside up. So you will be getting, this is nothing but the solution. This will be nothing but the solution. Okay. Sometimes no, it is given x is greater than 0 and y is less than or equal to 0. Now, this line itself will be nothing but y will be equal to 0. This line itself is nothing but x is equal to 0. So there is no need of plotting anything more. Now x is greater than 0. This is x is greater than 0 means I have to move on the right side. And y is less than 0. Y is less than 0. This is y will be equal to 0. Y is less than 0 means downside. What is the portion which is on the right side of this one and left hand down of this side? That means where the two arrows are coming, this will be the solution. This will be the solution. If it is asked x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, plot this graph quickly. I am going to tell you the final solution. Where will be the solution? Are you getting? This is the solution. Okay. Now the simple logic of answering this question. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0 means x and y both are positive. Means first quadrant. Here x is positive and y is negative. It is in the fourth quadrant. Check. So this is a direct looking at this one. Direct. Are you getting? But you should know that also. First last point I am just explaining and then we talk about the question. This is nothing but the graph. Y is greater than or equal to x. You know that x is equal to y is nothing but the basic way of plotting. X is nothing but y. If you find out x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1. So you will be getting a straight line which is passing through the origin. So far in previous question I was telling you, you can select the point 0, then check the condition greater and lesser. This is not possible because this particular line is passing through the 0. So remember, if in this selection you cannot take 3, 0. Likewise, this is the thing here you cannot consider. Now I told you initially you can select any point on the axis. I am just selecting this point. This point let us consider 5, 0. Put this one. 5 is the value of x and 0 is the value of y. Do you agree? 0 is greater than 5? No. 0 is greater than 5? No. That means, shall I move with respect to this line towards the 5, 0? No. The answer will be over here. Answer will be over here. Are you comfortable this step? This is to be understood properly. This is false. Therefore, not covering this point and getting the things. Okay. So on the basis of that also you can get some questions. Okay. Try to complete that assignment. In the next video we are going to add many lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines likewise. Okay. Thank you.